Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to take a look at and unbox the Truefree T3 wireless earbuds. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at these Truefree T3 earbuds that were sent out to me. So first of all, shout out to the company that sent this out to me. Let's take a look at this. So they are very loud, guys, by the way. So when I say loud, I mean they're very orange. So that's one thing that kind of stands out on them. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed here. I haven't even taken the plastic off. Usually I will rip the plastic off even before these unboxings, just so I don't have to kind of deal with that. But they are, again, a nice little item here. The packaged pretty well, by the way, at least the box. So let's take a look all the way around. Let's take a look at the back here. And again, I really can't read any of this, but I want to say it says Bluetooth 5.3. And again, I am on the Amazon page, so let's go ahead. It says Bluetooth 5.3 with AI smart noise cancellation for calls, 28 hours of playtime, 13mm driver enhanced music. I don't know exactly what that means. 40 ms game mode, stylish transparent design. So let's go ahead and take these out, and hopefully they're easy to sync up. I mean, again, I'm going to sync them up to my Samsung A54 over here. So here we go. That took a minute to figure out. Yeah, there you go. So again, very nice little packaging. And again, at the making of this video, the earbuds are $29.99 on Amazon, but I believe the seller is going to give me a discount code on this. So nice little packaging here, and even the even the little case is actually interesting over here. So let's go ahead and see what else comes inside the box. I'm hoping it comes with at least the wire charger. I believe it does. Here it is right here. Let's take a look at this really quick. Looks like it is USB. We can get that to focus here. There we go, USB Type-C. So shout out to this company who is using USB Type-C, because I remember a couple years back, most of these companies were still using micro USB. So that's pretty good. Overall, the design of it is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Let's go ahead and open one of these up really quick. Hopefully it has a charge also. I didn't see any indicator lights that these are charged. But let's go ahead and take a look really quick at one of these really quick. And again, they're not bad looking. Hold on, I'm gonna have to possibly minimize my computer background, or actually, you know what, let's just lower it. There you go. So they do look a little bit loud, and again, the transparent look also is pretty cool. It takes me back to the throwback of the the Nintendo Game Boys when they were transparent, or the N64s, etc., like that. Let me see. I don't think there's like an on or off function. Oh, there we go. I saw some sort of indicator light. Let's see. So let's go ahead and see if we can pair these up really quick with the Samsung A54 5G. Let's go to our connections over here, and let's see how easy it is to set up. So you watch. Okay, that's a watch Mobvoi. That is, so E7. I don't know. So it says paired with E7, which is another pair of headphones that I have. Available devices, you watch 3 Mobvoi. So again, I don't know if there's if this needs to be open. Let's see. Let's refresh. Let's scan again. Let us scan again. And I don't know if the little button in the back here is supposed to do anything or not. Not really a button, but I do see an indicator light. You guys can kind of see that it's blinking on the actual headphones themselves. So again, I might have to actually look up that instruction manual and figure out how to pair these guys. You would think that most of these, will automatically go into like search mode or whatever. Let's take both of them out here. but you'd be surprised. A lot of these don't automatically. Here we go. Finally, I guess you have to take both of them out to let me get the writer, and let's go ahead and get that paired up really quick. I'm gonna get the right ear plugged in just so I can kind of hear that it is. Okay, couldn't connect. Let me see if I can disconnect really quick from this one. No, I don't want to connect to this one either. Couldn't connect. Why can't I connect? This is interesting. And again, guys, this might not happen to you guys. This is just happening to me. I don't know exactly what's going on. Let me unpair this one really quick. Okay, so let me try again, maybe because it's connected to another. I think it was connected to another pair that I forgot to turn off over here. So let's see. Okay, now we're gonna have to kind of troubleshoot here. So again, I do apologize, guys. Let's see if we can get this figured out. Okay, we finally got something here, and I realized that it gave me two options for the Truefree. So I think you have to pair the correct one. Okay, I did hear it in the left ear, but we'll see. I don't know. I just heard connect on one of them, but I'm trying to connect the other one. And let's see. Let's see, guys. Truefree. And again, this is, you know, could be tedious for some people that want to actually just plug and play with headphones like this. So I don't know if this is a manufacturing issue. So it's playing the left one. Let's plug this one back in, and then let's take it out again. Okay. Because I don't know what's going on with it, honestly. Let's see. Truefree couldn't connect. See, there's no button to like sync or anything like that. Like that's kind of like the thing that kind of throws me off here. There's literally no buttons on here to say, hey, like let's sync it or let's not sync it. I don't see a syncing noise now. Okay, let's try to plug this back in. Let's try pairing it again. Again, I don't see the syncing light on this one, though. It says connected for calls and audio, 60% remaining. So one of them is connected at least. Couldn't connect. Very interesting, guys, is all I'm going to say. You know, this might not be worth the hassle to get something like this. You know, if pairing is not simple and basic, right? And it looks like you have to pair each one individually, so I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, guys, so I did get both pairs to pair up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not over here on my phone here. It does say just one of them. I don't know why this other one pops out, though. I assume that one of them is the main one that has to be paired up with the phone. At first, it was letting me pair the left one, but then the right one wouldn't pair. And vice versa. You know, now I think I paired up the right one, and I'm hearing sound on both of them now, which is pretty interesting. And again, here are the earphone, the earbuds themselves, right? It doesn't come with anything else other than this, so it's kind of like a one size fits all. You know, some of these you know, Bluetooth headphones that you can get at like Walmart, Amazon, whatever. Some of them will come with like different size for the ears, right? Because some people obviously have bigger eardrums or whatever you want to call it than others. So this one's kind of a one size fits all. So let's go ahead and get these on, and then let's listen to some music here, and I'll give you guys my feedback on them, okay? Okay, guys, you can see that both of them are on, and like I had mentioned that there wasn't really like a button to press or anything on there. These on the outside, they can be pressed to like pause and play, I guess, or raise the volume. You have to kind of like swipe up to raise the volume. But when I was tapping too hard, it was like opening up Bixby on the Samsung phone, so I couldn't tell you too much on that. I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on so I can listen to, and I'll put some non-copyrighted music so you guys can check out, right? And I'll give you guys my feedback over here, but let's get that going, okay? Okay, guys, so feedback on these, on what I'm listening to. So definitely, the bass on these could be a lot better. Um, the tone is good. The tone is fine. As far as comfortableness on the actual earphones, they fit pretty snug in the ear, but I do feel like they could fall out at any minute either, just because, there's just not like that little plastic piece, and the only thing I can really compare them to are probably AirPods. They're not, how do you say, they don't feel like they're gonna stay in the ear, like, unless you're just stationary, right? Like if you try to take these out for like a run or something like that, or exercising, you might possibly end up losing one just from running. So that's the thing about that. But again, they are definitely appealing as far as the look goes. Like I don't think they look bad at all. They fit pretty okay in my ears. I can't say that's going to be the same for everybody, right? But in my case, it's okay. They fit fine. Usually I have stuff that hurts in here, or every time I put stuff in my ears like this, usually I don't generally like to wear these type of earphones because they do hurt my ears after a while. So there's that, right? Again, I don't know if that's going to be the case for everybody, right? They don't feel like they would hurt even after having them on for a long time, though. So I'll give them that. I'll give Truefree the thumbs up on comfortableness. Again, I'm just going back to sound, though. I'm trying to get back to music that has bass, and I'm just not feeling the bass on these. They're not horrible, though. Like, I'm going to tell you that much. They're not bad. Like, but even with the audio all the way up, like, it doesn't sound like, they don't sound very loud, if I can be 100% honest. And I'm just giving you guys my feedback, right? And to the people that sent this to me, this is my feedback on these headphones. They're not, as far as the music goes, it just doesn't, maybe my expectations should be higher. And again, sorry, I'm like playing and pausing. Maybe my expectations should be higher on something like this, right? Because I've already like reviewed so many headphones, right? And in my previous case with different types of headphones, I've heard better, right? These again, if I have to grade them, I'll give them like a 7 out of 10, just because comfortableness. The tone is good. Like, you don't hear any static or anything like that. Syncing was pretty bad also. I didn't have fun pairing these or syncing these. Maybe it's easier on iPhone than it is on Android. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't even read the instruction booklet because the lettering is so small. I couldn't see. So, and that's because I have glasses, guys. So, it's whatever. Definitely, I don't want to knock on the people that sent this to me either. I think these are very, they're very adequate for usability. There is a game that, apparently these do sound good in game mode also. So again, if you're playing a game, these might sound a little bit better to you. Especially with the treble. I feel like the treble is a lot better than the bass on these, so you might have an advantage playing games, right? But again, this is just my feedback, guys, and take it with a grain of salt, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys, and if I can get this to focus, just final thoughts on the headphones themselves, right? So definitely, again, very loud as far as the case go. I mean, I definitely do like the color and the look and the concept, right? Of course, I'm not going to test these out for longevity as far as like how long the battery life can go. I'll take the company's word that they can do 28 hours of playtime. Most of these little earbuds can, right? And again, the little charging base, when docked, they charge the devices. It has like a little battery on the inside that charges these devices as well. So my question is, pairing wise, that wasn't very fun. It was actually kind of annoying having to pair these with. And again, like I said, maybe everyone's experience might be different. I have dealt with headphones that can't pair right away. Because you had to pair the correct one. A lot of the times, usually I'll just take one out, pair that one, and then I take the other one out, and the other one should pair right away. That wasn't the case With this one, I had to do a long press and then kind of try to figure it out on my own, guys. And again, I got it figured out. So again, it is what it is. Not everyone's going to be able to figure it out. Most people, especially older generation, I would say, right? Someone that buys this would maybe get frustrated, right? But again, they do look cool. They are stylish. It would be hard to lose these. Just because, again, the case is a bright orange. Like, how do you lose this on your desk, right? They are very small. They are very stylish. They are comfortable as well. So, again, I'll give Truefree that they are comfortable. Again, sound was, decent. It wasn't horrible. Bass could be a little bit better. And, like, as far as, like, true tone, as far as, like, volume, I think it could be a little bit better. I think, I had when I was listening to the music, most of the time the sound was already like at the very top, and that's because I was trying to get all of the tones and hear everything that I could. In this case, I think that the sound quality could be a little bit better when you're trying to raise the volume on your actual phone. So again, and also putting these away, so turning this off and then putting them back in the case should disable them from your Bluetooth, right? But in this case, let me go back to my Bluetooth settings. If you go over here really quick, it's still considered connected. So if I wanted to, well, hold on, wrong thing. So it says connected for calls. So actually, if I want to disable these and like go back and play the music, I really have to, turn off Bluetooth completely. So in order to disable this, so I can kind of get back. So I don't like that. I think that that's something that you shouldn't have to do, especially when putting these back in the cases. And if you can see that, like, one of them's lit up, the other one is not, so I don't know what's going on with that exactly. Maybe it's charging, maybe it's not, but anyways, again, kind of not so much of a mess, but for people that really don't know how to figure this out, I don't think these would be desirable for them. And again, I am still trying to figure these out as well. So again, guys, Mike from B-Tech Reviews, take it with a grain of salt. This for these headphones, they're nice looking. They have a decent sound. I'm going to go ahead and post up the links in the description below so that you guys can check out the item itself. Again, they are called the Truefree T3 wireless earbuds. Again, shout out to the company that sent this out to me. And again, smash the like button if you guys like the content. We'll see you guys next time.